This residence at the Esta belongs to a lovely family of three, where the main inspiration behind the design concept of the newly transformed interior.
Our sister-in-law recommended Yen and the Interior Lab as a team did an impressive job with her home renovation. Thus, for our home, we entrusted her to take full creative control over the design, which led to the birth of this postmodernism style interior.
Curves, lines, and shades blend to create this unconventional interior aesthetic. By mix and matching unique geometric elements, a playfully extravagant yet cozy interior is created. The flow of these harmonious features, such as the curved edges and tranquil shade of turquoise blue, reflects the gentle warmth of this family.
The open concept kitchen seamlessly aligned with the cohesive communal area where my wife can easily interact with us while cooking in the kitchen. One of the most functional spaces is my son's bedroom. The timeless modern quality of this interior would still be perfect during his transition phase from the pre-teen to youth.
Moving on to the bedroom, the interior transitions from the bright pastel blue setting to a cozy ambiance where dark wooden elements dominate the design. The three wooden tones of the design injects warmth into the bedroom interior.
The unique bay window featured in the master bedroom is a cozy nook where I occasionally take photos and appreciate the landscape view. Yen and her team demonstrated an impressive level of creativity, workmanship, and professionalism. All it took was a family photo of ours for Yen to create this wonderful design concept for our home. We recommend engaging the Interior Lab for their creativity, openness, and quality of service. Thank you Yen and the Interior Lab for making our dream house come true.